worth a pound of cure. Such wise words from Benjamin Franklin. But you know what? When it comes to industrial sector, I'll say a lack of prevention is worth hundreds, thousands, crores of cure. Why I'm saying this? Let's dive into this. Tech and Techniques, where we discuss about industrial engineering, safety protocols and latest technologies for industrial asset management as well as maintenance. Today we are going to discuss about an innovative technology, ARTiS, which is an automated reformer tube inspection system that inspects reformer tubes and gives real-time data through ultrasonic testing. Today we have Mr. Ketan Upadhyay with us, who is an expert in remaining life assessment. Welcome, sir. So my first question is, what motivated TCR to create an ARTiS?
Thank you, Maitri. It's a kind of a very old system. The reformer tube inspection covers the ultrasound attenuation measurements, but that was a very laborious technique and required a very long time for completion of the work. So we thought it's better we go with the automated system and mount certain other electronics devices and sensors that it will give us more detailed and accurate data. So that's how it came up.
That's
it's a
nice.
long story, like 2012 onwards we are doing this.
Nice. So until now, how many inspections are conducted through ARTiS and how accurate are those results?
So far we have done more than 10,000 tube scans and the results are of utmost accuracy. Although we do have one feedback system that for every test and after every inspection activities based on the other fundamental techniques and the other feedback based on the microstructures, based on thickness measurements, permeability measurements, we keep on updating our database. So these results are very accurate.
So sir, now I want to ask a very frank question. If any company opts for ARTiS, is it costly?
So far, it's like economics of inspection that governs the techniques and how fast the technique is being improvised and implemented. ARTiS is a kind of automated system, so naturally it costs something little bit more than the normal otherwise laborious work which was done. However, in comparison to the other companies like foreign companies who are offering the same system, this ARTiS is way cheaper than that. And believe it that this is an Indian startup, so this is a very well proven technique, and when we have everything in-house in our country, we should use it.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. We should use made in India products more. So my next question is, though ARTiS is an innovative system, is there any other way to inspect a reformer tube?
Of course, there are ways and means of doing such inspection, and these techniques of ultrasound attenuation measurements is back since 1970s and 80s. It's not a new technique-wise, but the automation provides us very simple way of interpreting and updating the data. Likewise, in the earlier days, the inspection was requiring manual work, total manual work, and for all 12 meters of the length of the tube, the scaffolding erection was very tedious. It required manual intervention and manual measurement. So it also naturally goes with the human tendencies, some fatigue and inaccuracies. Sometimes it may go with unethics of the people who are working. Here everything is eliminated because it is automated, computerized system. No need for scaffolding erection, so you are saving 1 or 2 days of the time for erection of the scaffolding. At the same time, you are saving time for removal of the scaffolding system. As well as the accuracy is much way better. And mind well, this gives us the remaining life assessment. It's not only inspection, it gives us the data and remaining life assessment.
Okay, that's main thing in industrial sector, right? Because reformers tube tend to lose its quality. And I mean, can you answer one question? Sorry, I'm asking this in between. Like, how many years can a reformer tube survive?
As a design aspect, it is like 100,000 hours. It's the design, that's design. But 100,000 hours does not guarantee, like it comes to around 11 years of the service life. Depending on the use or abuse or how best you use it, the life can be optimized up to 30 years. So if we keep on, having an eye on that, what is the health condition, current condition of this tube, how bad it was used or how good it was used, and what are the probabilities in future abuse or use. Based on that, we can come to certain estimate or prediction that when this particular tube will require retirement.
Can you share one of the case studies of ARTiS and what kind of reports does ARTiS give?
I have one very excellent and so demonstrating the benefits of the ARTiS, such a case study with me. In one of the reformers, there were a certain number of tubes failed all of a sudden because of process of check conditions, and the number of tubes failed were somewhere around 12 or 13, and there were very limited replacement new tubes available, like as I remember somewhere around 5 or 6 numbers. Now the question comes how to operate or put back the reformer back into operation, because we have limited tubes to replace, more number of tubes had failed than the tubes available in the inventory. What we did one excellent study in that. First of all, in the same condition how it was failed, away from the failure area, we scanned all the tubes and found that what is the remaining life, what is the condition, and predicted whether this tube will survive for next 2 years. Based on that, those portions were selected and welded together by the company, and it was put back into the operation. So that's a great saving, because you don't have any inventory for that moment. You can't buy it.
So it creates a panic situation for any industry,
that
right?
industry came out of the panic with great efforts, and I am very proud that TCR was part of that.
So I now have a last question. So are you selling the system? Is it on the market?
Of course, it is not for the sale. This is our own proprietary system with captive database system, fantastic replication and microstructural database which is there with integrated system, I would say, not only ultrasonic attenuation, it is an integrated system.
So with this we end this session, and thank you very much for giving your valuable time.
Thank you very much, Maitri. Have a nice day.
For the questions regarding ARTiS, you can write us on testings@tcradvanced.com, or you can call us on the number given below. We will meet again on another topic next month in Tech and Techniques.